Hey guys, and welcome to today's episode of Aussie Garage. Today we're here with Adam and we're checking out this amazing HQ Coupe. Can't wait to show you because this thing's awesome.
Oh yeah, we've seen it at a lot of shows.
That's it. And also don't forget to check out the website. We've got our winter merch still going.
Yeah,
we've got Holden licensed products as well as our own. Jump on and have a look.
Hey everyone, it's Phil from Aussie Garage and we're here today for this episode to check out this beautiful car here. Now, Adam, this is your beast. So tell us about how long you've owned it for and a bit of the history since you've owned the car.
Yeah, I've had it for around 16 years.
Okay.
So when I got it, it was in reasonable shape. It was
Nice.
pretty good. The panels were nice and straight. The paint was, about a 6 out of 10. So the engine bay was pretty ordinary as well. I drove it around for a couple of years and just did me head in, so I had to do a bit of a restoration on it.
Was it this colour when you first picked it up?
It was a silver, but it was probably a little bit darker silver,
Okay,
and it had
yep.
black stripes on it.
Yep.
So I changed it up, sort of did a bit of a ghost stripe to blend it in.
It looks fantastic.
Yeah, just gave it a nice silver metallic. Yeah, did a full job on it.
Now, I know you're running Convo Pros all the way around.
Yep.
What size tyres are you running around?
265 by 50s on the back,
Okay.
and 225 by 50s on the front. I didn't want to go the cheese cutters on the front. I just wanted to keep it looking fat, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
yeah, all
It's a
round.
good look at the front, having
Yeah.
a bit of meat.
Probably could do with power steering, but she'll be right.
You've since you've owned this, like how long did the restoration take you to do?
The restoration took me about 18 months. So we stripped it all down to repair a few panels, like put two new door sill panels in it, radiator support,
Okay.
and just mainly just rubbed it all back, and the body was pretty fair, to be honest. Yeah, pretty lucky at the time because we did it all before COVID, before bloody prices hit the roof. So the panel and paint didn't cost me too bad.
That's all right.
Yeah.
So do you know what the colour of this is now?
I just picked it out of a book. It might be a BMW silver.
Okay,
I
yeah,
picked it
yeah.
out, yeah.
With this, have you always been driving this around to events and shows and things like that, or you've just kind of when you can?
Yeah, when I first got it done, I hit the scene pretty hard. I did a lot of Gazinats and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Took it to Summer Nats as well, Motivation, Pinjarra as well. So
Yeah, awesome.
did a bit, but now it just sort of has a bit of a cruiser now, and just cruise around when I can.
Yeah, whenever you can get
Yeah.
out on it. So for you, like, where did the whole passion for cars start?
Well, probably my granddad. He was an engineer fitter by trade, so I used to go up there and tinker in the shed with him. So he used to teach me about mechanical skills and all that sort of stuff, and I used to do all motorbike stuff and didn't have the money to do it, so we used to make all the parts, clutch baskets, used to make rings on the lathes and all that sort of stuff.
Oh,
So
yeah, wow.
it pretty much started off my granddad, yeah.
Yeah, awesome. And that followed through.
Yeah, that's
Was
right.
your dad into it as well? or?
Dad's a brickie by trade, so it definitely didn't come from him.
Fair enough then. I know that your engine you've done a lot of work on, so I think we should have a look at that.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay, Adam, now this is a beautiful looking engine bay, mate. So tell us what we're running.
Well, we'll probably start from the top. We've got a 230 Holley carburetor on it.
Yep.
And then we've got 2925 Edelbrock high-rise manifold, 215 Weld heads on it, flat top pistons, got Skat crank, Skat rods in it, 4-bolt splayed mains on it as well.
Okay.
So just electric water pump, Brown Brothers radiator, MSD ignition, so it gets up and goes all right.
Yeah, it definitely would. Now, this wasn't the original engine when you first got it, was it?
No, it was, but we fully rebuilt it.
So it just started off as a 350?
Yeah, it was original 383. But,
Okay, yeah, great.
Yeah, but we just stripped it, pulled it down, and fully rebuilt it. Yeah, just wanted to make sure it was just going to run right,
Yeah, definitely.
and I always wanted to do a 10-second pass in the car, so we ended up getting that out of it as well.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah,
And behind this, what have you got?
yeah, got a turbo 400 with a 3800 high stall in it, and 9-inch diff with 31 spline axles,
Yeah, nice.
true track.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah,
They've been
yeah.
shortened, or they're the usual size?
Yeah, it's been shortened to tuck it in so we can get the 265s underneath the rear.
Yeah, okay, great.
Yeah.
Yeah. With this, who helped you build this?
Yeah, good friend of mine, Jody Racco, built it. So C&R Motorsport Development. He's the guru at these engines. So this engine's probably around about 10 years old now and haven't had one problem at all with it.
Yeah, nice.
Just put valve springs in it and just checked it over in every event and all that sort of stuff. So this thing, you can just turn the key, cold start straight away, hot start straight away, idles.
Perfect.
Just put your foot down, doesn't splatter. Yeah, the tune up in this is really good.
And the fact that this has been out to a few burnout comps and a few competitions like that, and it's still going strong and you haven't had to really do much to it, that's a sign it's built well.
Yep, just valve springs mainly and just to check over. And it turns to 7500 as well.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
At the moment, have you got any other future plans to do this? You just leaving it as it is for just a cruiser?
Yeah, I was probably leave it as a cruiser. I was thinking about putting a supercharger on it and just sticking it out of the bonnet, but I'll just see how I go with that one.
Yeah, fair enough. And just the usual suspension, I don't know?
Yeah, it's just been lowered and just different coils on the front as well and just different shocks on the back, but pretty much standard, yeah.
Extractors wise?
They were ceramic coated, but as you can see, they're getting a bit old now, so they've got a bit of wear and tear on them, but yeah, ceramic coated 1 3/4 extractors into a twin 3-inch exhaust.
Oh, nice.
Stainless steel. Yeah, we put a brand new radiator when we rebuilt the engine, so that's over 10 years old as now.
Perfect.
So that's a Brown Brothers radiator with AU thermo fans on it.
I noticed you haven't got the big nut. You've got wheelwood brakes on this.
Yep.
Discs all the way around or just at the front?
Just front disc, just slotted front disc, just slightly bigger, but nothing too major.
Yep.
But still stops quite nice.
Yeah. No, that's it. That's perfect then, mate. I mean, this is just beautiful inside, and I like that you've colour-coded the inside of the engine bay the same car as the car.
Yeah.
Like, a lot of people just have them black.
Yeah, I wanted to make it all like sort of seamless.
Yep.
When I cut the hole in the bonnet too, I plated all that.
No,
so
nice.
Any holes in it and stuff like that, so.
Well, it's very tidy in the fact that you don't have wires everywhere, so I presume all your wires are hidden in the guards or behind?
Yeah, fully hidden wires, all the coil and everything's behind the dash and everything stuff like that.
Okay,
so,
yep.
So you don't see any of that sort of stuff. So a lot of hours went into this wiring job.
Nice.
So we pretty much stripped the whole wiring out and redid the whole car again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just used a standard wiring, or did you use a painless wiring kit or something like that?
Yeah, we used a bit of both, I'd say.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, yep. So you'd probably say 3/4 of it was new wiring.
Yep.
Yep.
Perfect.
So all behind the dash and all that, got the original wiring and stuff like that, just the speedometer and stuff like that. So
yeah, nice. Okay, mate. Well, let's head into the interior and check out what you got in there.
yeah, no worries.
Easy as. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay. Well, this is nice. Like standard interior as far as all the seats and the console?
Yeah, hand to check interior. So
Yeah.
I like all the standard stuff, standard dash. So yeah, just put the Quicksilver quick shifter in it.
Yep.
Just a few gauges and a few buttons and the keep it all like original H gear.
Is it GTS dash or is it the
Yeah, it's
standard?
GTS dash.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
As far as the interior, is this been redone or it was like this when you got it?
Yeah, this has all been redone.
Okay.
Yep, and all the headlining's been redone as well.
Everything is just beautiful in this. Like you said, you've got a couple of aftermarket gauges, but at the end of the day, they can come out at any time.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yep. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of people cutting all the dashes and putting all their different gauges in there and all that sort of stuff. That's my personal choice, but
Well,
Each to
these
their
things
own,
are
you know.
expensive to cut
Yeah.
up these days for people to do it because they're hard to get.
Yeah.
You know? So you don't want to be cutting them up.
no, that's right.
I mean, obviously, there's really nothing to do in here, and look, the back seats look like they've never been sat in, so obviously not too many people get in the
No,
back
just
there.
the kids.
Yeah, fair
A
enough.
couple of drunken mates.
Oh, yeah, well, you always have them a couple of times, so that's all
Yeah.
right. So, anything else that you're planning on doing with it later on, or just leaving it as is?
No, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Just
Yep.
a nice, clean look.
Yep.
And so yeah, I love it how it is.
Yeah, perfect.
When I rebuilt it, I put all brand new glass all the way around the car as well.
Okay. And where'd you
So-
get that from? Do you remember?
Got it over east, or
Maybe
Yeah.
that Glass or Classics or something?
yeah, something like that. Even that back then it was hard to get.
And obviously, with some of the bits and pieces you've done when you were rebuilding it, did you end up collecting other parts to keep on the shelf just in case?
Yeah, a couple of sort of nuts and bolts. I've got a few spare bumpers there.
Yep.
I've still got a couple of bits of glass as well.
Okay.
I had a couple of little bits of trims as well, but after the years, people get onto you, oh, you've got a few trims, so you sort of help a guy out. So you lose a piece there, you lose a piece there. So I think I'm down to about 3 or 4 pieces now.
yeah, definitely. Well, that's it. Because otherwise, like, it is hard to get. I understand you got to help out mates from time to time, but at the same token too, it's like, oh yeah, it's good to keep that just in case.
Yep, that's right. Because the stainless steel trim is just they want so much money for it now.
Oh,
and it's so hard to get.
Are you running any kind of aircon or anything like that?
No aircon, no power steering.
No, nothing like that. So it's just what the factory came out with. That's pretty much it.
Yep. Maybe one day I might put a little power steering pump on it. I'll see how I go. Some days you think, oh, I wish I had aircon, but nah. Got the old windows, mate. They'll do me.
Yeah, that's it. Well, all right, let's jump out the back and have a look at the rear.
All right, no worries. Slam the doors.
Like the back end of this car, mate, is fantastic, and everything looks perfect. The chrome on the back here on the bumper. These bumpers, like we said, are hard to get as well.
I've got all the bumpers all re-chromed as well.
Yeah, nice.
Like I was saying before, the trim got all polished as that as well. So, no, put the hard yards in it, and it turned out well.
Yeah. No, that's it. And this is, like you said, this is original GTS. It just doesn't have all the original parts in it. And this, like I said, it used to be a Tangerine, was it?
Yeah, Tangerine 253.
Yeah.
Yep. I'd rather just do it the way I wanted it, have a bit of power underneath the throttle.
Perfect, yep.
And then, if you want to do events, light up the back tyres, you've got the power to do it as well and have a bit of fun.
Yep, that's it. Now, we know there's a few dead bodies in the back, so we're not going in there today, but there's not much in there anyway. It's only the battery anyway, so.
Battery and a surge tank in the back,
Yeah, that's it. This is absolutely beautiful. Is there people that you want to thank that, helped you with the car along the way, things like that?
Yeah, first I'd like to thank Jody Racco. He was a big help in the motor and all that sort of stuff, and C&R Motorsport Development.
Yep.
Marty did all the wiring, all that. He was fantastic on that as well.
Perfect.
Vaughan did the panel on it, and Trev painted it, so they were excellent as well. And also I better mention Darren Green. He helped me out bits and pieces on the car as well.
Yep.
Yeah, they're the main sort of people. So there's a heap of people, like, where you got your parts and everything like that.
Yep.
So, but they were the main sort of people. So yeah, it was great.
Yeah, no drama. All right, Adam, mate, this thing is an absolute beast, and cruising this thing's a weapon.
Glad you enjoyed it.
Yo, 100%, mate. Smile to ear like that. You know, that's 100% awesome. You know, so look, we really appreciate you coming on Aussie Garage and definitely showing us your ride, mate.
Yeah, no worries.
This is fantastic. And yeah, like we'll keep following it and chasing it up, and hopefully we'll see it at some shows and things like that throughout the year.
Yep, sounds good.
Awesome.
Thanks, buddy.
Appreciate it, mate.